Good morning, students. Today we have to be discuss about the second PUC first chapter, relation and functions. So in this chapter, most expected questions and the marks distribution of the chapters have to be discussed in this session. Now here the 1 marks question is one question is raised. The question number is first one. The first question is purely based on the relation functions. That is 1 marks question. And next one there is a 2 marks question. That is only one question is raised. The question number is 11th one. 3 marks question. That is also one question is raised on this chapter. The question number is 25th. And lastly, 5 marks question is raised on this chapter. It is also one question is raised on this chapter. The question number is 39. Totally 11 marks are there on this chapter. Totally 11 marks are there. So 5, 3, 8, 10 and 11. This is the way the marks distribution is there, and including the question number of the questions. Question number of the marks. Go with the 5 marks questions. So the why we are going to 5 marks question? The examinations are near to the second PUC students. So that's why purely go with the directly first 5 marks question, next 3, and next 2, and next 1 marks question. This is the way we have to do in the reverse order. Dear students, now go with the first example on the basis of what the relation functions, the 5 marks question. So here the 5 marks question, one question is I consider here, show that the function f from r star to r star is defined by f of x is equal to 1 by x is 1, 1 and onto, where r star is the set of all non-zero real number. So firstly we have to understand the meaning of the question. What they given? Here we have to show it that the given function is 1, 1 and onto. Then further, and r star is given non-zero real number. Non-zero real number and 0 to the real number. Consideration and the function of 1, 1 and onto show ಮಾಡಿ. So now, how to go? Means how to solve this one example. The solution part. So firstly, I am write the given function. Given function is f from r star non-zero real number to non-zero real number defined by f of x is equal to 1 by x. So now we will go to the 1 by 1, 1, 1 and on. Firstly, that is for on 1, 1. For all x1, x2 belongs to non-zero real number r star, such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2 by the definition of 1, 1 and 2. This is carries 1 marks this time. Now in the function, in the given function, substitute wherever x is there, just replace x by x1. Then what happened the function? The functions are there, x that x1 had 3 and x that x2 had 3. What happened? We will get the value of f of x1 and f of x2. 1 by x1, 1 by x2. Now, cross multiplication, 1 into x1, x1 into x2. So x1 is equal to x2. Yes or no? So whenever x1 is equal to x2, then this function is what? 1. So therefore f is 1. The first part is confirmed. And now go to the second part, that is on to the second for on to now. let we know that the function let f of x is equal to y. For onto firstly let f of x is equal to y, and for all y belongs to what, from the given function non-zero real numbers, the given x, this is y. Now we know that the f of x by the given data, since f of x is equal to what, 1 by x, since f of x is equal to what, 1 by x. Substitute here, so nothing but f of x is equal to y is equal to f of x, this one shifting to this side and this one shifting to this side, so x is equal to what, 1 by y. So this is belongs to real number, non-zero real number, as obviously because of y is belongs to what, r star, nothing but a non-zero real number. In the sense, this is belongs to what, a non-zero real number. Therefore, whenever the value of x and nothing but this one is belongs to r star, means non-zero real number, then it is what, on. Therefore, f is on. And the given function f is 1 1 and on. This is the way to solve this variety of example. So this carries 1 marks from up to here, and next for this solution, so we get 1 marks, 2 marks validity, and next for on to up to here, that is 1 marks. Next from solution of this one in solving, 1 marks, and the conclusion carries 1 marks. So 2, 3, 4 and 5 marks. So this is the way the marks is distributed on this chapter, means on this question. So this is the way to have to be solved this variety of example. I hope it is clear. Okay, right. Okay, I hope all of you done. I hope all of you understand whatever the data I explained. Okay, solution I explained. So now go to the second example. Okay. So now go to the second question. Verify whether the function f from natural number n to natural number n given by f of x is equal to x square is 1 1 onto and bijective. I have to show it. Bijective in the sense it must be satisfied both 1 1 and onto functions. Now go to the solution of this function. As like a previous example or previous solution. So first we write a given function is f from natural number n to natural number n given by f of x is equal to x square. First one for 1 for all x1 x2 belongs to what, natural number n. All the x belongs to x values belongs to what, the domain part, that is what, a natural number here, such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Clear? So now the given function f of x is equal to what, x square. So wherever x is there, replace x is equal to x by x1 and x by x2. Then what happened is x1 square, that is equal to x2 square. So implies x1 is equal to plus or minus x2. Here both x1 and x2 belongs to natural number. That's why x1 is equal to plus x2 only, not minus, because of there is no negative numbers in the natural number. Therefore x1 is equal to x2. Whenever x1 is equal to x2, therefore the given function means f is 1 1. F is 1 1. Right? And now for onto let f of x is equal to y for all y belongs to natural number n that is given. Now since the given f of x is equal to x square, so f of x is equal to x square. So f of x is equal to y, so that is equal to x square. So implies plus or minus square root of y, that is equal to x squaring on both sides. So implies that x is equal to plus or minus square root of y. This is not belongs to natural number n. Then y is equal to 3 or odd numbers or natural numbers. Substitute or natural number 1, 3, okay, or else there is a 2, or else there is taken as some values. So like that means non-square values, nothing but y is equal to 3. Therefore f is not onto, because of square root of 3 is not belongs to a natural number n. Hence the given function f is one but not only. Therefore the function is not a bijective, and also the function f is not bijective. So this is the way to prove this variety of example. I hope it is clear. Right. Thank you. So this is the way by solving this variety of example. I have to solve this way. Whenever we have to solve this way, we'll get the 5 marks. Okay, compulsory. That means nothing but pocket marks. Okay, try to work out like this. All the variety of examples will get the 5 marks. Thank you all. ಈ ರೀತಿ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾಕೆಟ್ಗೆ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬೀಳ್ತಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಅವನ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು ಹಾಕಿರಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಅವನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸನ್ನು ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಲೈಕು ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್.